What is the microbiome and why should we care about it? The human microbiome is comprised of all microorganisms that live on or inside us. Let me give you some example of why you should care about it. One thing the microbiome does is controlling our weight. Scientists found that mice who received a microbiome transplantation from obese people became fat even though they ate the same diet as their lean siblings. And imagine the following scenario. Two genetically identical people decide to lose weight by going on a diet. The only difference between the two twins is that one of them was treated for 10 days with an antibiotic due to an infection, which killed many of the bacteria living in the gut. Will the twins lose weight equally? Well, based on the evidence found by various studies, probably not. The functions and duties of the microbiome don't stop here. It also helps to regulate the immune system, which can help to protect your brain. There are case studies that have shown that the progression of the autoimmune disease, multiple sclerosis, can be slowed down by a change in nutrition and even reversed by a reset of the microbiome. In fact, there's an array of studies out there demonstrating the microbiome's role in regulating the human immune system. And in the end, it is the immune system which is responsible for controlling most diseases. Let me give you a list of diseases that are impacted by the microbiome's effect on the immune system. We have inflammatory diseases, constipation and diarrhea, but also overweight and obesity, allergies, even heart disease and diabetes can be traced back to the microbiome. Additionally, the beneficial microbes in our intestines protect us from colds and infections by restricting bacteria and viruses that can cause diseases. But it doesn't stop here. Our brains are also affected by the microbiome. This so-called gut-brain axis is a connection we have only started to understand. For most people, the influence of our microbes on our brains sounds like science fiction, but more and more research shows us how our microbiome influences our mood, behavior, and even memory. Because of this, many brain disorders are now analyzed within the context of the microbiome. Here's one example of how the microbiome can influence behavior. In one of my favorite studies, researchers from Canada deleted the microbiome from brave mice and introduced the microbiome of shy mice into them. Suddenly, the previously brave mice became less adventurous and much more reluctant to take a risk. Frontline research from 2018 showed that the microbiome also had an effect on bone density. The researchers found that mice that ate more fiber have stronger bones than mice that ate less fiber. Another important feature of the microbiome is that our bacteria produce many vitamins, including vitamin B1, B2, B12, as well as vitamin K, biotin, and folate. The use of polyphenols, a group of antioxidants that have been shown to possess anti-aging and anti-inflammatory properties and which are found in green tea and black teas, coffee, berries or red wine, also require a healthy microbiome. Researchers have shown that many polyphenols are basically of no use to the human body as their bioavailability and activity depends on having the right bacteria in your gut that can convert the polyphenols to a form that can be used by human cells. Right now you might be overwhelmed by all the information I've just given you, but that is just how powerful and influential the microbiome is on our health. But that's what we are here for. Our goal is to help you sift through all the new frontline research on the microbiome and present it to you in an easily digestible way. Here we will provide science-based knowledge on how to improve your health, reduce inflammation levels, lose weight, unlock your brain capacity, and prevent future diseases, all by some smart changes in your diet with a focus on the microbiome. The human DNA is 99.9% similar between individuals, but there are huge differences in the composition of the microbiome between different people. This might explain why somebody becomes overweight and develops a disease, but somebody with the same DNA stays perfectly healthy. Let me give you some numbers at the end. With 100 trillion cells, the microbes in our guts outnumber our own cells. The cells are extremely diverse, with more than 10,000 different species, and provide a metabolic capacity 100 times greater than the liver. While we humans only possess 22,000 different genes, there are at least 3.3 million microbial ones. This channel will summarize the newest research and books around this topic and present it here. We will show diets and meals that have been shown to benefit your microbiome and in turn improve your health and productivity. As Hippocrates said, all disease begins in the gut. Subscribe to the channel and check out our website and Facebook page, if you want to receive interesting studies and helpful tips around the topics health and microbiome. Thank you for watching.